proceed with the evening, I'm just going to be telling Mr. Amir Khan what happened during the afternoon. So in the afternoon, we had an auction of players for the MCL that begins very soon. And now we have the teams all set. So we are going to request you to hand over mementos to the team owners. We have 6 teams. We'll be requesting them to join us on stage one by one. Team owners, may I please request you to cooperate in just one thing, that when I announce the team name, may I request only 3 members from the teams to please come up and take the memento from Mr. Amir Khan. May I please request Thane combatants by MEP Infra to please come up on stage. Okay, for everybody who's been wondering why are these chess sets limited edition, while at one corner we have Mr. Amir Khan's Silvet, at the other corner we have the Grandmaster Silvet. That's why these chess sets are limited edition. And the 4 people who bought them today, we are going to hand over the chess sets. May I please request Mr. Amir Khan and Mr. Anand to hand them over. Please welcome. Actually, Ashok Jain is already up on stage, so Mr. Ashok Jain, the first set goes to you. Thank you. May I please request all of you to be seated. Well, before we move ahead, may I please request Mr. Anirudh Deshpande to say a few words.
Dear Amirji, Anand, Ashok Jain, our president, Abhijit, all 5 A's are here. All 5 A's. A grand moment for chess. 2 great A's are promoting chess, Mr. Amir and Anand. I requested Amirji just once that will you play chess exhibition match, and he said yes, and we did not know that it is going to be so big in the media. So the people in the tennis association and badminton association are very upset with me that Amir has to do this for both the other associations, and he said yes, I'll do it, why not? So I think it is highly appreciated. And on one message, Mr. Vishwanath Anand said yes, this is the date. I think Shamat has helped us organize this with Amirji. And this is just love for sports that both have agreed to play this match. I don't need to elaborate what is chess and how good it is for children in this mobile era. These 2 great, one king of Bollywood and the other 5 times world champion promoting chess will send a good signal to sportsmen to motivate them. The government of India is already excited. And we have a message from the sports minister who was going to be here, but presently had to be in Impal. And Honorable Mr. Sonowal could not reach, but has sent a message that he is looking forward to such promotions, and Government of India will support all the sports. I feel the occasion is right for greats like Anand to now announce a chess foundation kind of thing for the chess sports people who are playing chess. Maybe Amir will support you in the chess foundation. I know this is just an idea I am putting forward. Not that they have spoken or I have spoken to them. I can only request Amirji support me for tennis and badminton in the same manner. I thank the press, media and want their support to promote sports. Thank you and look forward to the match. Thank you.
Thank you. Moving on, may I please request Mr. Ashok Jain to say a few words.
World champion and India's pride, Grandmaster Vishwanath Anand, one of India's favorite Bollywood superstar Amir Khan, our ex-president Mr. Nitin Karir, Mr. Jairaj Phatak, first Grandmaster Mr. Praveen Tipse, my dear friend Anirudh Deshpande, Abhijit, dignitaries on the dais, team owners and friends. Today we have overcome the probable 3-year each for the Maharashtra Chess League. The league which started as a experiment 3 years back has proved to be a great success with active participation from the chess fraternity, support from. He should take up chess as a medium to promote better mental fitness and agility among the youth of our country. Last but not the least, the team owners who have pledged their complete support to MCL need a special mention. Without all of you, this tournament would never have happened. I want to ask all team owners to consider adopting one school each in their city and sponsoring the chess in school program in that school. I wish every team the best, and once again on behalf of MCA, thank the Vishwanath Anand and Amir Khan for their time and continuing support. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Well, I'm sure a lot of you all have actually been holding your breaths, but please let it go. I would now like to request Mr. Amir Khan to say a few words.
Well, good evening, everyone. Anirudh, when you asked me to play the game with Anand, he said, you want to thank me for accepting. Actually, I want to thank him for inviting me because I've been such a huge fan of Anand all along. So the opportunity to play with him is something I would never let go of. And in fact, I want to thank Rishi for being so nice to accept this game. I mean, I certainly don't deserve to play against him by any stretch of imagination, but the fact that he is so graciously agreed to play with me is something I'm thrilled about. So I'm really looking forward to losing to him. My only request is you have to play with your left hand. I think this is a wonderful initiative, Chess in School and the Maharashtra Chess League. And I really feel that more and more kids really should pick up chess as a game. Parents should encourage their children. I remember that I learned chess from my grandmother. And she's not with us here today. She passed away a few years, but I remember her, especially today. I think if it hadn't been for her, I wouldn't have been here getting to play with Vishwanath Anand. So I want to thank her. But every kid should learn, every parent should encourage the kids to learn chess, not just competitively, not just to become a champion in chess, but just to have an overall healthy mind, a sharp mind, a mind that is analytical. It's something that's helped me, certainly, all through my life. So I'm really happy to be here, very, very excited to get the huge chance of playing against Anand, and thank you so much. Thank you, and all the very best to all the teams. Thank you.
Well, I'm sure that since we are talking quite a lot about the game that's about to begin, I'm sure all of you are waiting for that. But before that, we have our lovely members of the press here. So, members of the press, the session is now open for Q&A. We have mics in the audience, so please kindly may I request you all to raise your hands so that we can give you the mics.
आनंद, what have you learned from आमिर, and आमिर, आप आनंद से क्या सीखे? Because both of you are perfectionists in your own fields.
I would say the thing I respect most about him is how conscientiously he does, the attention he pays to his films, the research he does, the effort he puts into. He doesn't do a lot of them, but if he does something, it's going to be 300%, 400%. And that's something I respect a lot. I feel recently I'm trying to do something similar where, play a little bit less, but put more effort into every event. So that's probably what I respect more. And you can feel this in his movies, the intensity of the effort, I think.
I've learned so much from Anand. I appreciate so many things about him, but the thing that strikes me most is the grace with which he carries himself, even publicly. Apart from his chess life, he's a champion. He's very hardworking. He's gives more than 100% to everything, and that's all very inspiring. But the way he also conducts himself publicly is something with so much grace, with so much poise and dignity. It's really amazing to see that. Yeah. And by the way, when your kid called, each time your kid called, I would say, "Hey, Anand's calling me." Yeah? Pick up the phone. And then he would be, no, that's my son. He just called by mistake. I was like, oh God, okay. I was hoping he had something to say to me.
आमिर, पहले आपके दोस्तों से बहुत पहले बात हुई थी, उन्होंने कहा था कि आप शूटिंग के बीच में चेस खेला करते थे और बहुत माहिर खिलाड़ी हैं। क्या आज के दौर में आपको वक्त मिलता है चेस खेलने का?
मैं चेस खेलता रहता हूँ। मैं बहुत एमेचर लेवल पे खेलता हूँ कि मैंने कभी सीखा नहीं है, मैंने कभी ट्रेनिंग नहीं ली है चेस में, लेकिन शौक बहुत है। ये खेल बहुत ही कमाल का खेल है, मुझे बहुत ही पसंद है ये खेल। तो जब भी मुझे वक्त मिलता है मैं खेलते रहता हूँ।
इसके साथ खेलते हैं ज़्यादा?
सेट पे जो भी कोई मिल जाता है मैं पकड़ते रहता हूँ लोगों को, आ जाओ खेलते हैं। इंडस्ट्री में कई लोग हैं जो अच्छा खेलते हैं। शम्मी कपूर साहब बहुत अच्छा खेलते थे, उनके साथ मैंने खेला है। और परेश रावल जी अच्छा खेलते हैं, आशुतोष गोवारिकर जी अच्छा खेलते हैं, कई लोग हैं।
क्या आपके बच्चे भी चेस खेलते हैं?
मेरा बेटा खेलता है, जुनैद खेलता है, हाँ। और जब चूंकि वो मुझे बचपन से देखता आ रहा था चेस खेलते हुए, और अब आज़ाद मुझे देखते हैं, तो मुझे याद है जुनैद माय सन, व्हेन यू सी मी प्लेइंग चेस, ही डिडंट नो हाउ टू, ही वाज टू स्मॉल एट दैट टाइम, बट ही वुड प्रिटेंड टू प्ले चेस विद मी एंड ही वुड मूव द पीसेस हियर एंड देयर। एंड जस्ट लास्ट मंथ आज़ाद वाज डूइंग द सेम थिंग। आई वाज प्लेइंग अ गेम ऑफ चेस, तो ही वाज पिकिंग अप द पीसेस एंड प्लेइंग विद मी।
आमिर, आप ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा फिट लग रहे हैं।
मैं फिट लग रहा हूँ?
ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा फिट लग रहे हैं।
आपको चश्मों की जरूरत है।
आप मेरा कमेंट नहीं समझे।
मैं इस वक्त इतना मोटा हूँ, फिट तो कोई एंगल से नहीं हूँ मैं।
ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा फिट।
जरूरत से ज्यादा फिट। हाँ,
आजकल लीग्स को काफी बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा है, आईपीएल हुआ, आईएसएल हुआ,
जी।
एमसीएल भी अब एक उसमें शामिल हो गया। तो आप इसको कमर्शियल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कैसे देखते हैं, क्योंकि रेवेन्यू जनरेशन मॉडल का एक तरीका हो गया,
जी जी।
और क्रिएटिव पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कैसे देखते हैं कि खिलाड़ियों को कितना प्रोत्साहन और बढ़ावा मिलेगा? दोनों पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मैं आपसे आंसर चाहता हूँ।
इकोनॉमिकल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से शायद मेरी जानकारी कम होगी इसमें, और जो खेल सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलर है, क्रिकेट है, उसमें शायद ज़्यादा इसमें कमर्शियल वैल्यू होगी बनिस्बत बाकी जो खेल के। हर खेल की अपनी खूबी होती है मुझे लगता है, और यकीनन इससे जो प्लेयर्स हैं उनको बहुत कुछ फ़ायदा होता है। नॉट जस्ट मॉनेटरी एडवांटेज एंड मॉनेटरी सपोर्ट, ख़ासतौर से उन खेलों में जो इतने लोकप्रिय नहीं हैं, जो इतने, जैसे क्रिकेट बहुत ही लोकप्रिय है, तो ऐसे प्लेयर्स को एक सपोर्ट मिलता है, इंकरेजमेंट मिलता है, और यंगस्टर्स को वो एक्सपोजर मिलता है उस खेल की तरफ, तो ये बड़ी अच्छी बात है।
You're not as amateur as you say you are in the game of chess. I remember 2006 you were playing against Grandmaster Abhijit Kunte.
Yeah, I know. I was playing against him and he was very kind. He forced to draw.
He forced to draw.
He didn't allow me to lose.
So it was the Italian opening, that it was the Italian Open or whatever they call it. I mean the Guico piano, I believe. And what are you going to start with today against Anand?
Do I get white? Sure. Okay. I'm going to start with Ray Lopez. I shouldn't have said that. Anand's mind is already ticking. Okay.
You've done a film on the game of cricket. You're going to be doing one on the game of wrestling. Have you ever thought of doing one on chess, considering it's so close to your heart?
I would love to if the right kind of script came about. So if something comes up, I would love to. Yeah. But I don't work towards scripts. I like scripts to come to me organically. So let's see if something comes up.
आमिर, आपने कहा कि बॉलीवुड में आप बहुत लोगों के साथ चेस खेलते हैं और बहुत लोग खिलाड़ी भी हैं। किसी ने आपको हराया है चेस में, कभी ऐसा हुआ है?
नहीं, कई दफ़ा मैं हारा भी हूँ चेस में। अच्छा, कटरीना जी भी बड़ा अच्छा खेलती हैं।
अच्छा, मतलब उनके साथ हारे हैं आप?
नहीं, उनके साथ हारा नहीं हूँ अभी तक मैं। उनके साथ अभी तक हारा नहीं हूँ, लेकिन ऑलमोस्ट हारा हूँ। अच्छा खेलती हैं वो।
अच्छा।
और हारा किससे हूँ मैं? हाँ, नहीं, कई लोगों से हारा हूँ, मतलब ऐसी बात नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे एक इंसिडेंट याद आ रहा है जो आपने हारने की बात की।
जानना चाहिए।
मैं लगान की शूटिंग कर रहा था भुज में, और हमारे सेट पे कुछ एक गेस्ट आए थे और उनकी छोटी बच्ची भी आई थी साथ में, वो शायद 5 या 6 साल की थी। तो उन्होंने कहा कि हम आपसे चेस खेलना चाहेंगे, लड़की ने कहा। तो मुझे लगा यार ये छोटी सी लड़की, अभी कहाँ मैं चेस खेलूँगा इसके साथ। तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, खेलते हैं। वो लड़की ने मुझे करीबन 20-25 मूव में हरा दिया, और मुझे बाद में पता चला कि वो एक्चुअली शी वाज लाइक शी यूज्ड टू प्ले द सर्किट एंड शी यूज्ड टू प्ले टूर्नामेंट्स इन चेस एंड ऑल दैट। शी बीट मी। व्हाट? गांधी, हर नेम इज गांधी दवे। ध्यानी दवे, देखिए उनको नाम भी याद है। तो ध्यानी दवे से मैं हारा हूँ, वो 6 साल की थी उस वक्त। और एक और खिलाड़ी था, उसका नाम है शायद आसिफ, बैंगलोर से, जो अब तो नौजवान हो गया, वो बड़ा अच्छा प्लेयर है, लेकिन उस वक्त वो आई थिंक अंडर 7 या अंडर 9 का बहुत अच्छा खिलाड़ी माना जाता था। मुझे उस बात का अंदाज़ा नहीं था। तो जब मैंने उससे पहली दफ़ा खेला तो वो इतना छोटा था कि उसके पैर जो थे ज़मीन पे नहीं लग रहे थे। वो जब कुर्सी पे बैठा था तो उसके पाँव हिल रहे थे। तो मैंने पूछा क्या लेंगे आप? तो उन्होंने कहा मैं गोल्ड स्पॉट लूँगा। तो गोल्ड स्पॉट पीते पीते उन्होंने मुझे पहले गेम में 7 या 8 मूव में हरा दिया। तो फिर मैंने कहा कि नहीं, मैं कंसंट्रेट नहीं कर रहा था, दोबारा खेलेंगे। दोबारा खेला तो 20-25 मिनट में हरा दिया मुझे। तो मैंने कहा नहीं, मैं आपसे अलग से खेलूंगा, सेट पे नहीं खेलूंगा मैं। अच्छा, द स्टोरी बिगैन विद हिम वांटिंग टू प्ले चेस विद मी, और मैं वक्त नहीं दे रहा था। अब मैं उनके पीछे पड़ा हुआ था। तो मैंने कहा आप अगली दफ़ा बम्बई कब आ रहे हैं? तो उनकी मम्मी साथ में थी, कहा कि हम आएंगे अभी 1-2 महीने के बाद। तो 3-4 महीने के बाद वो you follow Hindi? Little bit. So 3-4 months later, this little boy who had beaten me twice came back to Bombay, and I called him home for lunch. I cancelled all my meetings. I said, this game I have to win. He's about 8-year-old kid. तो हम लोग बैठे, game went on for about 3.5 hours. And it reached end game, and I had actually broken up his defense. And there was one move which I was wondering which I had choice of 2 moves to go with. And the game had become so intense by then that my head was getting warped, I couldn't think straight. It had reached that point. And I said, actually I've already won the game, so it doesn't matter, I'll do this. Instinctively I went with one move. The moment I played that move, he said, you've lost. I said, oh my God. I said, anyway, what does he know? I'm going to win. But eventually I did lose. And then he came back and said, look, if you had played the other move, you would have won. So this 8-year-old boy, after the game got over, was very gracious to me and said, you know what, your game has improved.
आमिर
So I have some
सलमान
lovely memories of losing in chess to little children.
आमिर सलमान की कोई रुचि नजर आती है इसमें? कभी उनके साथ आपने चेस खेला है या उनका इंटरेस्ट?
सलमान के साथ चेस खेला तो नहीं है, लेकिन जब भी कभी खेलने का मौका आएगा तो हाँ,
क्या लगता है कौन जीतेगा?
ये बोल रहे हमको बता देना। सलमान जो है वो चेस जो है वो ऐसे खेलेंगे चेस।
That's good.
आमिर, एज क्या थी वो जब आपने चेस खेलना सीखा? आपने नहीं
जब मैंने खेलना शुरू किया, मेरी उम्र भी यही 6-7 साल की थी, अराउंड 7 years old, और अपनी दादी से मैंने सीखा था। और मैंने हिंदुस्तानी रूल सीखे थे, जिसमें प्यादा जो है वो सिर्फ एक घर चलता है और उसमें कासल नहीं होता, लेकिन राजा जो है गेम में एक दफ़ा घोड़े की चाल चलता है। तो द ओल्ड इंडियन रूल्स ऑफ चेस इज़ व्हाट माय ग्रैंडमदर हैड टॉट मी। देन ऑफ कोर्स आई वेंट ऑन टू लर्न द इंटरनेशनल रूल्स।
आमिर, जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि चाइना में भी इंडियन फिल्में काफ़ी पॉपुलर हैं, तो हमने सुना है कि जैकी चैन जो है उनके साथ आप काम करने का ऑफर मिला आपको?
नहीं, ये गलत न्यूज़ है, मुझे ऑफर नहीं मिला है।
आप उनके
ये गलत न्यूज़ है। दरअसल जिस दौरान वो अपनी फिल्म बना रहे हैं उस दौरान मैं दंगल कर रहा हूँ, तो सवाल ही नहीं उठता कभी कि हम लोग काम कर पाते इस मौके पर। लेकिन आइंदा कभी मौका मिला मैं ज़रूर चाहूँगा उनके साथ काम करने का, बहुत ही बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ मैं उनका।
दंगल से याद आए कि मल्लिका शेरावत आपकी वाइफ बनने वाली है।
चेस के बारे में बात करें आज हम लोग। शतरंज पे हम लोग आज डिस्कस करते हैं।
Anand, we know how good Amir is a chess player.
No. What are you saying?
Okay.
Who are you talking to and what are you saying?
You're a fairly good
The only
chess
thing I
player.
regret is that we are having a chess game today. So Anand has to promise me one thing, that the next time we meet, he has to do a scene with me.
Yeah, I was about to ask the same.
No, I'm not a very good actor, probably.
No, we know you are also not a bad actor because you have worked in a few ad films as well. So any chance we see you on the big screen or any biopic on you will be great. So what are your thoughts on that?
Sure, I would say probably I'm a good I might be a good actor in hiding my feelings, because that's something that comes with chess. So if you play during a game, even if you make a blunder and you realize it immediately afterwards, you still have to keep somehow holding that within, not even letting your face show it. I probably wouldn't do very well in the movies where you have to express everything. So if there's a director looking, I would nudge him in this direction.
How about playing the chess player on big screen?
I will see at some point, but nothing. I have not thought about that much till now. So.
मेंबर्स ऑफ द मीडिया, सिर्फ एक चीज़ कहना चाहेंगे कि चेस की बातें इतनी दिलचस्प हैं, तो अगर आप चेस खेलेंगे तो कितना दिलचस्प होगा। चलिए देखते हैं We're going to be starting the match now. Okay, thank you so much. Kids, can we have you moving down, please?